This is a solar mill where we are combining both two natural resources, which are sun and wind, where we are combining both of these things to produce hybrid power. Okay, the best advantage of the system is where it will take advantage of both solar and wind. And the specialty of the system is it starts producing wind power from 2 meters cut in. And in places like Hyderabad, where we have 4 meters wind at about 10-15 meters height and 5.5 hours of irradiation, a couple of systems like this will get you around 4 kilowatt hours of power every day, which can easily run 4 tube lights, 3 fans and a television, which is definitely useful. And the best part of this compared to solar, normal solar, this thing is, in a normal solar you need around 1 or 2 square feet of place to install 1 kVA, and whereas this needs only 30 square foot, and the prices are also very competitive in compared to the solar rooftops. Technology is from US, where we are collaborating with a company called Windstream Incorporate. Okay, and it is a 20-year, the system is designed for 20 years, and it can go very easily on the rooftops. It is only 80 kilos weight, and the best part is it can be connected in a series. You know how many units you want, it can be extended. It is simple, and it is robust. You don't need any civil work. It can be just ballasted, or it can be using bolts and nuts, and it can be just installed on any kind of rooftop. It can go in any kinds of weathers. It can go in on any kind of terrains, and we are trying to mainly targeting domestic as well as industrial customers. The main part is generally when it comes with most of the things are aesthetics, and these vertical axis wind turbines give a lot of pleasure to the eyes, and there's no damage for any of the civil structure that's when it's installed on the rooftops.